Today I'm going to teach you 3 essential drumming techniques for the hi-hat. By the way, if you're new to Brad Allen Drums, I'm a professional drummer based out of Kansas City. I'm also a private drum teacher who has helped many students develop a very high level of playing on the instrument, including my student Joel McCoy, who also became a professional drummer and now plays in Nashville. Okay, the first essential hi-hat technique is to be able to play closed notes with the ball of your foot on the hi-hat. This can be used for various things. In jazz drumming, playing 2 and 4 with your foot on the hi-hat is considered one of the most essential elements in that particular genre. Playing with your heel up and on the ball of your foot is one way to get a very consistent sound on 2 and 4. Notice my whole leg moves when I'm using this technique. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The same technique can be used in rock and other styles. For instance, you can play quarter notes with your left foot on the hi-hat and play eighth notes with your right hand on the ride cymbal. You can also reverse that. You can play eighth notes with your left foot on the hi-hat and quarter notes with your right hand on the ride cymbal. By the way, speaking of beats, I've got a list of 10 beats that all drummers need to know that I'd like to send you absolutely free. It also comes with an exclusive video with me demonstrating all the beats. Again, all free. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. The second technique is to rock your foot back and forth. This is another good technique for jazz drumming to get a good, consistent sound on 2 and 4. The way it works is that I rock my foot back on 1 and 3, so I'm flat-footed. I rock my foot forward on 2 and 4, and at that point, I'm on the ball of my foot. This one takes a little more practice. I actually use this one more because it gives me very good balance on the pedals. But again, it does take more practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the way it works with the jazz beat. For jazz drumming, it's good to be able to do both of these techniques. You'll find that one or the other works better a lot of times for certain volumes and others for certain tempos. The third technique is to splash the hi-hat with your foot. Notice that this one is done flat-footed and I'm using just my ankle, not my whole leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you that one at just a little different angle here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So many times that's used in jazz comping. Let me give you an example. It takes practice to get control of all these techniques. The last technique I showed you there, the splash, probably takes the most practice, but it's well worth it. Again, follow the link for a free copy of those 10 essential beats and the exclusive video that I mentioned earlier. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for new drum videos every week. Thank you for watching, and I have a whole playlist about practicing the drums efficiently and effectively that I know will also really help you. Please watch some of those next, and we'll see you next time.